The 3D printed bicycle sider is a relatively new sider design, at this stage featuring breathability, comfort, lightweight, and customization. When we receive a new product development project, we will first conduct a deep investigation of the entire industry. Combined with the characteristics of 3D printing and the demands mentioned by the client, we summarize and conclude a relatively mature solution. From the sketch phase to the realization phase of the project, we will hold 2 or 3 rounds of design evaluation meetings. In the implementation of the lattice structure, we mainly use parametric modeling, including mainstream software like Grasshopper and N-topology. We will first pre-render on the computer to analyze the appearance, structure, and performance. After observing the rendering and going through a design evaluation meeting, we will prototype the product. By using a steam fumigation and polishing process, we can achieve a smoother product surface, which can also enhance the product's performance and lifespan.
We use self-developed SOS equipment for printing, and the powder of printing is TPU with 88A shear hardness. We choose TPU as the thermoplastic polyurethane elastomer rubber, mainly for its mechanical strength, wide hardness, and provocability. SOS printing method doesn't require support, and we only need to clean out the anchor-filled powder in the part.
Due to the hardness and strength requirements of the bicycle sider, we use steam equipment for automated treatment. The treated effect is stable and high quality, suitable for mass production. During the development process, we will strictly test the printed design samples for performance, compliance, appearance, and compression life testing. "3D printing technology in the application of cycling siders is leading the transformation of the industry. We hope we can offer a more comfortable and personalized riding experience."